You're looking at here at the tiny house. It's declared now that it's done. That's it. This is the final thing that is attached on the tiny house. Now you can see this is the bottom part, and they are now cleaning the little area where you can sit down, and you can see the brother of the owner cleaning it up, Crispin. And so we go inside, and this is now the final space of the tiny house. That's the little kitchen, and that's the toilet and shower with the sliding door. There's the shower already installed, and that's the little window for illumination and the lights, and that's the toilet there. So that's the area of the toilet. So you close the sliding door. That's how you lock it up, and that's how it looks like inside here. And that's the front door. And you got a window, and there's a back door for going out, and the doors match. And this is the kitchen. Only one unit for the kitchen cabinet under with a drain. And this is the stairs going up. And this is how you go up, and that's the railings installed here. So this is an open sliding door, because the owner has not decided yet if it's gonna be extended, but it's just an open sliding door. And someone asked about the price. It's 18.8. That's 4-panel sliding doors. It's not even tempered glass. So there's 2 panels here on the side, both sides of the bedroom. So this is it. It's now done. So that's the look inside. The price is again $10,000. That's the finished price. So these are old tiles that match the cladding on the wall, like a wood effect tile. And the ceiling are all, so you can see it's not sealed, but I think that's only a few touches that's needed on the end, or a cornice, I don't know. Maybe just a trim is needed to see the crack on the side of the ceiling, between the ceiling and the cladding walls. And only screwing up the lights and the sockets. There's one socket set here and one bunch of light and socket near the railings that's there. So as you go down, this is the stairs. I think that there's enough room for a tall person here, because look, only needs some trimmings around here on the edge of the wall. because that's the finish that's left on. But decoration wise, I believe it just needs some trimming, like the edge of the stairs, and also that between the ceiling and the wall there's a little gap, because that's why I always use cornice, or if not trimming, because I don't like the look of gaps between ceiling and wall. And that's it, the tiny house is finished. We go out. Abiak, gigiak sa kopin ha. Oh, nindot kaayo. I told him it's really nice, this house. So this is the look from outside. And that's the looks from sideways. So they can park the car here and do their hangings on the back of the house. I think that's the septic tank of the tiny house. 2 chamber. And this is the finish from the outside on the back. So their land just extend there a little bit. There. And that's the edge of the tiny house. So this is the look on the back. So that's the piping, they're using PPR. That's the piping, they're using PPR for the water system. Asa gikan ang tubig anipin? Nay tangkis loyo niya. Patauran. So they will just have to install. That's not part of the job of the 10,000 is the tank, but just the water connection. It's just the house. Pila na yun nagasto dong? Okay. So that's the update, the finished tiny house.